Hello lovelies, welcome back. What shall I achieve this healthy vegan salad? I added some iceberg, some courgette, some cucumber, some onions, some red bell pepper, boiled potato, beans, lentils. So I added tomato. So I noticed that this bowl is not big enough, so I have to change my bowl. I added chickpeas, tuna. I added 4 cans of tuna, the small size one. So now I'm going to mix it together properly. Follow for more amazing videos. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not. Turn on the post notification and be a member of the family. Feel free to check other of my videos out that you might find helpful. So I sprinkled some salt and I'll add in olive oil. All my returning subscribers, I really appreciate your love and support. Thank you for always being here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for subscribing. So I will just give it a good mix. This recipe is really healthy and nice. I really enjoyed it and I hope you give it a try. Thank you for watching. Watch the rest of the videos. See you in my next one. Share this video for me, guys. May the good Lord bless you. Bye.